Hello dear fans. What is pressure? Pressure is a physical quantity of a continuous medium, which is quantitatively equal to the force pressing per unit area perpendicular to the surface, and the surface can be located in any plane of space. Pressure is atmospheric and blood pressure. The concept of atmospheric pressure applies to the weight of the ambient air with which it presses against the contacting surface. The lower layers of the air, located at the very ground, press with tremendous force on people, animals, and other living organisms. But this pressure is imperceptible, because it is compensated by the internal air pressure. At an altitude of more than 3,000 meters, the air is less saturated with oxygen, becomes rarefied, and the pressure in the upper layers of the atmosphere, the Earth's air shell, becomes weaker. A person at this altitude may experience rupture of blood vessels, since a person's internal air pressure never changes. Normal atmospheric pressure is 760 millimeters of mercury. Depending on the temperature and humidity of the air, the atmospheric pressure may change. A moist, warm air mass, cyclone, lowers the pressure, and dry, possibly cold, anticyclone, increases. The force with which blood presses against the walls of blood vessels throughout the human body is called blood pressure. It best describes the work of the circulatory system. Blood pressure is the easiest to measure. In different arteries, the pressure is different. It depends on the location of the artery in relation to the heart. The closer to the heart, the higher the pressure. Normal blood pressure when measured with a tonometer has two limits: systolic pressure, upper value, and diastolic pressure, lower value. Systolic blood pressure is related to the force of contraction of the heart as it contracts and pushes blood into the arteries. Diastolic blood pressure is the pressure in the arteries when the heart muscle is relaxed. The normal value of blood pressure for a healthy person is 120/80 millimeters of mercury. High blood pressure shows how much the pressure of the fluid in the vessels exceeds the atmospheric pressure. Thanks for watching.